In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription using the Shopify mobile app on your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. This can be a really helpful process to understand, especially if you've decided to take a break or simply reevaluate your business strategy. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Shopify app on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Keep in mind that you must be using the store owner account, as only the store owner has the authority to cancel the subscription. Once you're logged in, let's navigate to the settings where we can begin the cancellation process. For iPhone users, you'll want to look towards the bottom right part of your screen where you'll see an icon with 3 dots indicating More. Tap that, and then head over to Settings. For our Android users, you'll be looking for the menu, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines typically found at the top left of your screen. Once you tap that, hunt for the Settings option and give it a tap. Now that you're in Settings, the next step is to tap on Plan. This is where you'll see different options depending on where you are in your Shopify journey. If your store is still within its trial period, you'll see an option to cancel trial. For those who are past the trial phase, you'll see Cancel Plan or Deactivate Store. Regardless of which option you see, go ahead and tap it. Shopify will then ask you to select a reason for cancellation. This is primarily for feedback purposes to help Shopify understand why you're leaving, so do take a moment to choose the reason that best reflects your situation. After that, you'll need to verify your identity by entering your account password. This step ensures that the person requesting the cancellation is indeed the rightful account owner. Once you've entered your password, locate the Save button or any confirmation button indicated and tap it to finalize the deactivation of your store. This is an important step as it will officially cancel your subscription. Do remember, once your store is deactivated, you'll lose administrative access unless you choose to reactivate it at a later time. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your Shopify subscription using your phone. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has been straightforward and easy to follow. Remember, you're always welcome to reactivate your store when you're ready to jump back in. Thank you for watching, and take care.